Hello everyone, my name is Madhav and welcome to Gyan Masti. Today we will be talking about the Magnus effect. And today we will basically talking about the spin bowling and how does it works. So let us understand. So, how does a spin bowler make someone out? So, usually spin bowlers bowl 3-4 balls at the same line and length, but in the fourth or fifth ball, they dip the ball and it gains extra bounce as well as it gains extra speed. So, the player which gets usual to the line and length, if the ball comes faster and more bouncier to him, so he will get out. So uh, so how does it work? So here is a ball, and when the ball adds extra revolutions to the ball, so when the ball deviates the air, so the air which goes to the downwards, it is streamlined. It means it is not distorted. But the air which goes from above, uh, it is distorted and it goes upwards. So this upwards force forces the ball downwards, so it dips and the line and length changes, and due to this extra dip the ball bounces more and its speed increases. So this is called the Magnus effect and it was discovered by Newton. So due to this extra dip and the Magnus effect, so the player gets out. So hope you understand that how does the Magnus effect work and how do the spin bowlers uh, get out the batsmen. So please share and like this video and please subscribe the channel. Bye.